I can't believe how excited I am to tell this to you guys, and I'm sure you guys are excited as well.
Yeah. If you take too long to hit me back, I can promise you how I react. But all I can say is at least I wait.
Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. This week, the video is not exactly a video, even though it is a video. A few days ago, I made a post on my community tab asking how spooky was your October going, and a lot of you guys responded to that like in huge paragraphs, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you who gives like so much time on commenting on this person's videos. So I'm so thankful for all of you. And then I also made a community post a few days after that I'm going to be announcing a huge thing very soon. Some of you thought it was a giveaway, some of you didn't even think what it was, and some of you already knew. so and today's video is basically that announcement which I was talking about a few days ago. As you already know, Halloween is just around the corner. Even though I'm not Christian, I'm going to be doing something special on it because celebrating a festival has nothing to do with being a certain religion. So basically, I'm going to be making a Halloween series on my channel. I know this is so freaking exciting because this person is the actor, okay? I'm trying my best. The scripting took very long, the filming is going to take really long as well. So this series is starting from next Saturday, and this would go on for the next 3 Saturdays, not this Saturday. I think from October 31st and the previous 3 Saturdays, if you understand what I mean. I just checked the calendar. It's going to be out on 17th, 24th and 31st of October. This is going to be a 3 episode series which would be basically 3 weeks and 1 episode every week on Saturday. Now you guys might be wondering, why did I choose Saturday as the upload day even though my upload day is a Wednesday? The reason basically is that Halloween is on a Saturday. So I wanted to make it even, like if I post one video on Wednesday, another one on Saturday, that would be so chaotic and all over the place. Can we just take a moment to appreciate who is talking about chaos here? So I just wanted to keep it simple and keep it basic. So I'm just going to be posting it on every Saturday, and you guys are going to enjoy it. I'm working very hard. I really hope you guys would enjoy it. Now I'd like to tell you a little bit about my series. It is basically a spooky story because Halloween is equal to spooky. So it is basically a story of two twin sisters. This is all I can tell you guys right now, otherwise the whole suspense would be broken. So it's basically like a story of two twin sisters. It's really good. I mean, I like the storyline a lot. I'm not sure about the cinematography and stuff, but yeah, I worked really hard on it, and I really hope you guys would enjoy it. That was basically it for this week's video slash announcement. I know this was not like a very content type of video, but even though like a lot of content is coming out from the next Saturday, and I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. In case you guys are excited and enjoyed this announcement, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also to hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my miracle fam members. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos, including the series. That's pretty much all I wanted to say for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye. This